Hey, this is Snehil from GB Media, and we have done a small audit for your brand, which is Bumble and Bumble, which come under your skin and beauty category. So, when I was deep diving into your category, I realized that the sales were very high in month of December, followed by the month of July. There were a downtrend as well in month of August and September. These are the top keyword which is relevant to your category and which have a very high search volume as well. But when I check this keyword on Amazon, I'm not seeing your brand coming on the very top of the search result. For an example, if we see this leave-in conditioner keyword on Amazon, then I can say that yeah. So the Redken brand is coming and taking over the placement of sponsored brand ad. Talking about the video ad placement as well, your brand is not showing at all on this particular keyword. So right now, if we check who is taking over the placement, so I can see and say that this particular Purology has taken the placement. If we check other keyword as well, for example, dandruff shampoo, here also I can't see your brand coming at all on the very top of the search page. Securing the placement over here is very crucial as it helps you to get more conversion with more NTB customers, because 70 to 80% of the time sales happen from top of the search result only as per Amazon data. If we check keyword like hair thickening spray as well as the other keyword, I can't see and say that your product is coming in the top 3 product click. So you can see that all the competitor are getting the clicked most of the times. Securing a brand keyword is also very important, as you can see that when I type Bumble and Bumble, I can see that Living Proof is the brand which is taken over the SB placement. If I check the videos also, I can see that this yeah, I can see that this L3 level is winning the placement of on your branded keyword. This is not the keyword I have found. If I check other keyword as well, for example, this keyword here also the story is same. I have seen that in beauty category, potential customer are highly engaged with your banners and videos. If you are running a campaign, it helps you to increase your CTR as well as the conversion rate, as studies also shows that videos on banner can improve your overall conversion rate up to by 20%, as it addresses the buyer query visually and drive more confident and purchase decision. Also, this is the one keyword which I have come across, and I have seen that this Bumble and Bumble individual oil conditioner is one keyword where the search volume trend has increased by 111% in last 30 days. But if you check this keyword on Amazon, currently we are not at all running any sponsored brand campaign or are not going very aggressive on this particular keyword, because right now you can see that L'Oreal has taken the placement. Talking about the SB placement as well, we are coming over this first two placement thing, but again the third and fourth placement we are not winning. Talking about the videos ads as well, the some other brand is creating the taken the placement over here. This is the mini audit we have performed for you. If you are interested to go for an overall audit, do let us know, as we have shared the link with you. You can fill the form as it is completely free.